Hi guys, it's me, Katha Aduru. For this video, this is an exciting video. Now in this video, I'm going to emphasize the word attempt to transform my old clothes into something that I can wear again. Something cute, something a little bit more trendy. Sana maging successful to, and sana hindi madagdagan yung basahan namin sa bahay, no? Because if I fail this, for sure, basahan talaga. Magiging basahan talaga tong mga damit na to. So, let's just wish that I succeed and somehow make them look cute. So, if you wanna see me fail, char, I'm not gonna fail. I'm gonna try my best. We're gonna make it look cute, snatched. I promise. I'm gonna try my best, okay? So, please keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I'll be doing is draw a line across my shirt. Ito yung magiging guide ko sa pagka-crop sa kanya para pantay. And then after drawing a line, syempre ginupit ko. And then I folded it into half so that maging pantay siya dun sa other side while cutting it. And then after that, I measured my waist using an elastic para mag-cinch siya sa waist ko. And then I went ahead and measured it dun sa mismong shirt ko para magkasya siya dun sa pocket na gagawin ko. Parang yung hem nung shirt medyo wider dapat para ma-insert ko yung elastic. And after that, I went to my sewing machine and tinahi ko lang siya. So, tapos nun, yung elastic, nilagyan ko lang siya ng safety pin sa dulo para ma-insert ko siya ng maayos sa buong hem ng shirt. After that, this is what it looks like. Diba nag-work ang galing? Tapos, ang gagawin ko is tatahin ko yung dalawang ends nung elastic. And i-close ko na rin yung hem. And voila! This is what it looks like. Bongga, right? So, the first thing that I'll be doing is gugupitin ko lang yung sleeves niya. So, susundan ko yung pattern and I'll do the same sa kabilang side. After that, hindi ko na ipakita pero ginupit ko yung upper part ng mismong shirt. And then, what I'm doing here is nagkakot ako ng slant para lalagyan nung gagawin nating sleeves, puff sleeves mamaya. And then, here, I'm just making a hem para hindi open yung edge ng shirt and hindi matastas. And I went ahead to my sewing machine. This one's actually really hard kasi medyo lumalambot na yung tela and nagsustruggle na ako. And after that, ginugupit ko yung sleeves niya. Tignan niyo na may ginagawa ko. Ginawa ko siyang parang papel. Tapos na-realize ko na mali yung ginagawa ko, no? So, ayan, nilapag ko na lang siya. This is the better way to do it. And then, kinot ko na yung almost half nung sleeve. So, I was positioning it to see what it will look like. Tapos dito, I grabbed an elastic na mineasure ko yung shoulder ko. Actually, dapat yung arm ko yung measure ko dyan. Hindi ko alam kung ba't shoulder ko yung measure ko. Yan yung ilalagay ko sa sleeves para makatulong siya to create that puff-sleeved effect. I'm almost done with this. And I already pinned yung sleeve into place. All I have to do right now is sew. Uy, nasan yung iba? Bakit ito lang? Hala na. So basically what I did dun sa last part is pinin ko yung elastic dun sa may sleeves na gagawin ko. Tapos tinahi ko lang siya while stretching it. Hindi ko na siya masyadong finocus kasi sobrang nahihirapan talaga ako during this time and gusto ko na lang talaga siyang tapusin. But it turned out pretty good. Okay, so for my last piece of clothing, what I'll be doing is a ruched top.
Rosht. Ruched. Rushed. Ganon.
Yung sides lang na ruched. And then, the first step that I'll be doing is, of course, draw a line. Tapos, iko-cut ko lang siya to crop it and then hem, of course, as usual. And then yung natirang pieces of fabric, gugupitin ko din to serve as the parang lalagyan nung strings. Tapos yung iba pang natirang piece of fabric, kinati ko lang into half. This will serve as the strings rather of the shirt. And yeah, basically after doing that, ginupit ko lang into half. And then I went ahead to my sewing machine to sew to create the hem, of course. So here, ilalagay ko na yung parang magiging lalagyan or what pocket or whatever nung strings na ilalagay natin later. Ginupit ko siya and dito, pinlace ko na siya dun sa mismong sides nung shirt. I pinned them to place kasi mahirap tansyahin. Medyo malambot kasi yung fabric nung shirt. And then, tinahi ko.
Let's get scratching.
Okay, so hindi ko na pinakita how I did the strings. Basically, what I did was just roll it, tas tinahi ko lang sa gitna. And then, here, ang ginawa ko is, I grabbed a pen, tapos nilagay ko yung string para ma-insert ko dun sa pocket na ginawa natin kanina. And then, kaya siya naging ganito kasi tinahi ko yung gitna niya para maging parang divider nung paglalagyan ng strings. And mapupul siya. And this is what it looks like. Yay!